Hi, I am arranging my new plant shelves and cabinet, and I filmed the process, and there's a possibility it's going up on YouTube. I don't know, but I'm going through the motions. I'm filming it. This is possibly the introduction, although I'll probably end up filming a different one. I don't know. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the space. And if I'm totally honest, it does just become a place where we put stuff. Rarely do we work at this desk. I think I'll get more use of the desk in the other room. So basically we've got the two shelving units that are going to go here, and then the Rudsta cabinet in the middle. Yeah, this is what the space looks like before. It's often covered in more plants. But yeah, this is the space. I thought maybe it might be helpful for you to see some of the places that my plants sit already. So this is the shelving unit that you probably would have seen on Instagram, how it's looking at the moment. This is a precariously placed humidifier for when it was really hot a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, so that's my shelving unit. Those are the shelves in the Rudsta cabinet there, which I'm very excited about. Let's see what other plants I could show you. So these are some of the plants that will be going on that shelving unit too. Ignore the recycling under there. Got some begonias up there and some Syndapsus and Dischidia, my Brazil Syngonium. Some of these I'm going to be letting go of, like this begonia right here. I know I don't want to keep that one, and I've got two party time plants over there which I know I don't need to keep, and I'm thinking about maybe putting these two pileas somewhere else. And then over here behind the TV I've got my big OG Monstera and my variegated Monstera. Down here I've got some Hoya propagations. A few of those are actually for the shop, and my variegated Maranta. The majority, well, I mean the two Monsteras kind of need to stay there. I'm thinking the variegated one might actually go where the shelving unit is. Okay, just finished. I think I'm happy with it. Let's be honest, it's going to move around a lot, but I thought I'd show you where all the plants are kind of up close so that you can really see where I've put them all. Let's go. Okay, so I'm probably going to pronounce some of these names wrong. Forgive me. This is my Anthurium pallidiflorum up the top here. Anthurium clarinervium sat with a candle and some books. Anthurium papalaminum, possibly a hybrid, sold to me as a pure one, I don't know. I've got a Syndapsus, or Syndapsus, I think it's supposed to be the silver moon, I can't remember which type it is. It's pretty. Got some air plants here, I cannot remember the names of these. This is my Marble Queen Pothos. She hangs low these days. Look how pretty these leaves are. So stunning. We've got an Alocasia Micholitziana, the green Frydek, variegated string of hearts. Back here is my Alternanthia Party Time. That was not the correct name, but it's roughly that. Maranta Lemon Lime. Got my Thai Constellation Monstera. epiphyllum anguliger in the top right up here. I've got a green string of hearts that goes all the way to the floor. Behind here I've got 2 Hoya polyneras that I think I'm going to pot together. Back here is another epiphyllum anguliger, the fishbone cactus. This is my Anthurium magnificum verde. I'm going to pot it into a glass vessel, a no drainage pot. This is my Thematophyllum sprucianum. Definitely going to have some issues with that new leaf, but it's there for now. Another Alocasia micholitziana, that's a pup, and I've got another one down below. This is a very sad looking Anthurium forgetii. It came to me looking like this. I'm hoping it can push out a really nice leaf, because all of these leaves are, I mean, I don't expect perfect leaves from plants all the time, but I'd like a nicer one than that. This is a Dischidia ovata propagation that definitely could be potted up by now. Got a Pothos Enjoy. This is one that's really special to me. This is one that Steve bought me the day he proposed, so I'll always have that in my collection. This is a Hoya kerrii that is pushing out a bloom, and I think once it's pushed out its bloom, I'm probably going to get rid of it. Another Alocasia micholitziana pup. This box is here because I'm going to put like my sprays and liquid gold leaf and watering can and stuff in there, just so it's easily accessible. Variegated spiral ginger, cannot remember the botanical name of that one. And then in the cabinet, so I've got like real pride and joy right now, my Anthurium walkrianum. This sad thing is a Alocasia doriaki silver blush hybrid. I'm pretty sure this main stump of it is just going to die off once this leaf is gone, because it started pushing out. There's a pup here and there's another one around the back somewhere, so I think the main plant will just die, but it was really pretty in its prime. It was really silvery. This is my Oxalis, can't remember the next name, I'll put it on the screen, the Plum Crazy. This bit's kind of reverted to fully purple. I think I'm going to chop that bit off. And then variegated Syngonium, and I mean, for a little while it was doing nothing, and then it pushed out this like stunning leaf that is my favourite kind of variegation, and then it's pushed out this half moon, which is a bit risky. I'm worried about the next leaf because there's barely any green left on this stem. In this box I have 2 Alocasia micholitziana corms, a Anthurium crystallinum, and then at the front there are 2 Anthurium bakerii. I don't know. I'll put the names on the screen again. Some kind of Haworthia. I don't know the name of it. That's one that my sister-in-law to be gave me when she asked me to be her bridesmaid, so that'll be another one that's always in my collection. And then this is another Haworthia. It's the one that's like got the windows at the top. Again, I'll put the name on the screen. And then down at the bottom, last row, Hoya catisii. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be keeping all the Hoya in my collection. That one might be one that goes. I recently did a post on Instagram saying that I've realised I don't like it, this weird burgundy sunstress colour, so I'm going to try and get it back to green. There is a fungus gnat in there already, for goodness sake. Pretend you didn't see that. This is my Hoya obovata. I've realised that it's really like sun bleached, so it's been sat on a south facing window and I've recently pulled it back. Hoping it'll be happy in there. In here is a really, really sad Anthurium mudianum. I mean, I could probably take that leaf off of it now. I don't think I can take this off? Ooh. I could probably take that leaf off now. There is some growth on the stump, so I'm hoping it will make a recovery. Fingers crossed. And then this guy is a reverted Florida Beauty, Philodendron Florida Beauty that I bought. I'm, you know, holding out hope that it might spit out a variegated leaf, but it's cute. This new leaf is taking its time. I definitely need to clean some leaves. But yeah, that is the setup right now. I will talk more about these lights at some point. They are just strip lights that I've stuck on. They're not grow lights, and they do get a little bit warm. So I'm risking it. I'll test it out and let you guys know. But like I said, they're not actually grow lights, but I mean, it's quite a cloudy, dingy day today, and it's not really come across very well on camera, but these plants all do have quite a good amount of light right now. That I've got massive south-facing windows that are unobstructed. Well, there's nothing blocking them. So we get full sunlight all day. So I've just got those lights on for now, but I'm going to turn them off once I stop filming. But yeah, that's my new setup. I am really happy with it. I just need to get the rest of the apartment looking pretty again. Because, I mean, I'm not even going to show you, but it's just chaos everywhere else. Squirrels come to visit me on the balcony. Let me show you that. Hey, squirrely. Need to put some food out. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I'm feeling really awkward. I'm gonna stop filming now. Bye. Hey, editing Amy here. I just wanted to hop on because I did not film a very good outro for that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Subscribe if you haven't already, it would mean the world to me. There are more videos coming. YouTube is happening apparently. Thank you for watching my first video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!